Should you put off buying until you have a larger down payment? Let's talk about that. Hi, Steve Schwab here again with the Portland Lifestyle Team. Steve Tickner and I would like to welcome you back to our video blog, where today we're going to be talking about private mortgage insurance and what that might mean to your ability to buy now versus wait to put more down payment away. However, as always, before we get started, you might be thinking, hey, what's my current home worth in today's market? Well, if you click on that orange box there on the site, that's going to gather a little bit of information from you, primarily your home address and your email, so we can get that information to you. And it's going to give you that relative value right now of what to expect that home to sell for today. You might be thinking about buying a home, and after watching today's video, we certainly hope that you are. If you click on that blue box, that's going to give you access to every home for sale today in the greater Portland area, so click away there. Every day we run into clients that are telling us, hey, we're going to wait a year. We still need to wait 2 years. We have to put away our 20% down payment that we know is required to qualify for a mortgage in today's economy. Well, I want to tell you that that really isn't so much the case anymore. There are many programs out there available to today's home purchaser that might be a 10% down payment, 5% down payment, 3.5% if it's an FHA loan. There are even a few programs that are zero down. Now, those are a little harder to qualify for, but the whole point here is that they're there and it doesn't require 20% down. If we look at the, there's an example there on your screen that I'm going to show you that uses a $200,000 purchase price scenario and the effects of a 5% down versus 20% down. So it shows us your down payment, shows us what the loan amount is, interest rate, call it 4.5%, which is pretty close to what today's market sees. And then we can see what our principal and interest payment is and how they differ. Now, on the 5% down scenario, you've got to add that private mortgage insurance, the PMI, which is in this case $80.75. So you can see that the overall difference in payment is in this scenario is $232.75. So are you actually saving money by waiting to put that extra down payment away? Well, look at it this way. CoreLogic recently published a report that tells us to expect 4.3% residential real estate appreciation rate over the course of the next 12 months. And I would fully expect that here in Portland, Oregon, that number is going to be even higher than that. I would think it's going to be, 5, 6, maybe even 7%. It's currently in the 7+% range. So if we take a look at this next example, you can see that the difference in payment over the next 12 months with that private mortgage insurance scenario is roughly $2,793. If we look at the expected appreciation, which as I mentioned was 4.3%, which again I think is conservative here in Portland, that's $8,600. So the difference is $5,807 in this scenario, and that's $5,807 that won't be yours simply because you don't own the home. So there's a reason right there to be giving some strong consideration to buying now. So hopefully this has been of help. If it begs any other additional questions, or if you'd like to sit down and look at what these various programs put on the table for you, what you can take advantage of, I'm going to encourage you to give us a quick call here at the office. The number here is 503-567-7437, or shoot me an email, steve@portlandlifestyleteam.com. And we'd love to set up some time and answer any questions that you might have and show you just how easy some of these programs are to qualify for. So hopefully this has been a help. We'll be back here again in about 2 weeks with another topic. And until then, have a great day.